Hey everyone, it's me, Jerry Metalman Battaglia. I'm out here in Long Island, New York, and look what's behind me, a beautiful 1969 Camaro. Here with my friend Dave, it's his car, and he's going to show us this beauty behind me. This car is tier 1, guys. It's 10 out of 10, absolutely beautiful. And guys, if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. I'm coming out with more and more videos this whole summer. And it's going to be a great year this year. We're putting up the videos, and leave any comments down below. If you have a 69 Camaro, please share what you have and let us know where you're from. So there's my friend Dave right there. A little bit nervous, but we'll get him going. We just want to share with you this awesome, beautiful car. Out. So what do we got here, Dave? 69 Camaro. How long have you had it?
20 years.
Okay.
Finished it 13 years ago. Frame off restoration. Everything's brand new on it.
Guys, this car is awesome. It's a Viper Blue. Made a little bit lighter than Viper Blue. It's got black interior. If you see the details on the rally stripes, you see put black liner around them. And so what motor do you have in there?
It started out as a 350. It's a 388 now.
Staple shifter, wood wheel, factory radio. And guys, the bottom of the car is just as good as the top. This car is beautiful. It's got Met colors on here, but he's a Yankee fan. We won't say nothing. You want to open up the hood and tell us what you got under there?
Yeah. Ooh-wee. It's naturally aspirated with a Holley 750 products intake, AFR 220 heads. Custom headers from American Racing Headers. Got to give them a shout out.
High volume water pump with an aluminum radiator, right?
Yep.
And how many horsepower you say you were pushing?
510 and 496 torque.
Look at the detail, guys. This is really, really clean. SS booster, brake master. They had it rebuilt. Aluminum, billet aluminum power steering pump, alternator, brackets. I wish you guys could see this car in person because they have full MSD box on there. It's a really, really nice car. And would you rebuilt it in the garage?
No, it took 7 years, and it was in a shop in Clark for that amount of time.
Okay.
A buddy of mine, Neil, did the paint work.
Is that the man that does all the Mustangs out east too?
No,
the Shelbys?
he's close to him.
Okay. Wow. There it is, guys. Well, guys, just want to thank Dave for showing us this beautiful car, and Jerry Metalman Battaglia. Like I said, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification. I'll be coming out more and more videos, and hit those likes. Those likes help the algorithms go up, and it'll spread out, more of these videos to people all over the United States. And please comment down below if you have a 69 Camaro, or a 67, or a 68, or even a 70, 71, 72, whatever Camaro you have. And also leave some comments down below. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.